A fired assistant sheriff just filed a bombshell lawsuit against Orleans Parish Sheriff Susan Hudson. WDSU investigative reporter Aubrey Killian got a copy of that lawsuit and is in the newsroom to explain these stunning allegations. Aubrey?
Hey there, Stella. So in these new documents, Perlena Thomas claims she got fired after raising questions about how your tax dollars were being spent. Sheriff Hudson disputes those allegations. Can you prove these claims in court?
Through the discovery process, there's not a claim that she made that can't be proven.
Richard Richtofen Jr. is representing former OPSO Assistant Sheriff Perlena Thomas. According to the suit, Hudson acknowledges that Thomas had done great work. Thomas alleges that Hudson fired her in retaliation for warning Hudson about the nepotism concerns and flagging OPSO expenses.
Her being fired has caused emotional distress, financial distress, embarrassment. And at the end of the day, somebody needs to be held accountable, and it should be Sheriff Hudson who's held accountable for her behavior and the fallout from that behavior.
WDSU Investigates uncovered that $19,000 was spent to put up OPSO employees in hotel rooms for Mardi Gras last year. Many of the rooms weren't used.
This lawsuit basically pulled back the curtain on a number of issues.
Rafael Goyeneche is the head of the Metropolitan Crime Commission. When it comes to those hotel rooms, a dog training company stepped in to foot the bill, but backed out.
It appears that if they were going to donate $19,000, it was going to be contingent upon the sheriff's offices purchasing 2 dogs and having all of their dogs trained with that firm.
In the suit, Thomas makes major accusations about Hudson and other employees.
The fact that the sheriff was allegedly involved or living or residing together with one of her senior staff members. A senior member of the administration's son was hired as a contract employee.
Sheriff Hudson responding in a statement that reads in part, "No terminations occurred in violation of any law or legal requirement."
You need to run the sheriff's office correct. You're a public servant. You need to conduct yourself like a public servant.
Hudson says that she looks forward to the opportunity to refute these salacious and fraudulent allegations in court. Goyeneche says if the accusations are proven true, it will be costly. Thomas's attorney won't give a dollar figure on the damages they're seeking, but says
it's significant.